Hello, my name's Fernando, and I'm a developer advocate here at GitLab. Your team no longer needs to be security experts to remediate vulnerabilities. Today, I'll show you how GitLab Duo agent platform helps you spend less time chasing noisy SAST alerts and more time fixing real security issues. SAST False Positive Detection automatically identifies which findings are likely false positives, and Agentic Vulnerability Resolution takes the real ones and creates a merge request with a fix, so your team can move faster while also reducing risk. In order to enable these features, go to the Settings side tab and select General. From here, you can go ahead and scroll down to GitLab Duo, and then from the options below, click Turn on SAST False Positive Detection, as well as Turn on SAST Resolution Workflow. Then click Save Changes. Additionally, within the .gitlab CI YAML, you must be running SAST, which can be included via a template or via security policies. Then we can check that the pipeline is in fact running SAST. After the scanners have run, we can go to Secure and select the Vulnerability Report, which provides us an overview of all the vulnerabilities detected within the default branch. Then we can sort by scanner and select GitLab Advanced SAST. From here, we can see a vulnerability that was detected as not being a false positive, and it has a merge request which was created automatically. This is because it is a high-severity vulnerability. Once I select the vulnerability, I am taken to the Vulnerability Details page. The GitLab Duo assessment includes a confidence score, which is a numerical score indicating the likelihood that the finding is a false positive. There's an explanation with contextual reasoning about why the finding may or may not be a true positive based on code context and vulnerability characteristics. This feature is shaped by a purpose-built prompt framework, specialized tools the agent calls within GitLab, and an evaluation pipeline we've iteratively tuned for accuracy. Now let's look at a merge request generated with GitLab Agentic SAST Vulnerability Resolution. This feature uses iterative reasoning to analyze vulnerability context across the codebase, generate high-quality fixes that address root causes, validate fixes through automated testing, and provide confidence scoring for proposed solutions. For medium and low severity vulnerabilities, we can do this flow manually by going into the vulnerability, and then within the AI Vulnerability Management section, we can go down and select Check for False Positive. This will create a GitLab flow. Once the flow is complete, we can see the AI False Positive Reasoning Analysis report as we did within the critical vulnerability previously shown. From here, we can also go back to the AI Vulnerability Management tab and select Remediate with AI Agent. This creates a new flow. Once the flow is complete, a merge request with a fix will then be created. Note that the pipeline still runs in order to verify that we are not breaking anything within our system before we merge. We just saw a developer, not a security expert, confidently fix a real vulnerability. GitLab Duo triaged the finding, explained the risk in plain language, and generated the fix, all while keeping the developer in control. To learn more about these new features, see the links in the description, and thank you for watching.